So those noises, keep in mind. Okay, so wait. Let's see, there's another one. There's another noise. Okay, now this one's a little weird. This one's weird, right? But we have to do it with the ridge hand. Okay, because it's hard to do 3 noises. So ridge hand's fast, right? We can't go pop, pop, pop. It's hard to make noises like that 3 in a row, right? So ready? Everyone go to a punch. Okay. This could be a little awkward. If you feel awkward, good. That's how it's supposed to be. Repeat this with me after me. Ready? This one's more like a yell. Ready? Yes! Do it again. Do it again. Go. Yes! That I like to call a power-up yell. I like to call it feel there. You can fall up real loud. Yeah. So this is the fun part. So relax your second. We're gonna do this combination again. We're gonna do this combination 2 more times. Okay. So the way this is gonna work though is we're gonna start 50% noises. Do not scream as loud as you can. Only 50%. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. We're gonna do this combo again as a group. Your job is to make noise on every move. So really quick, let me show you an example. Okay. In fact, let me show you guys something.